Oh, Muffet.
What?
I'm just saying Muffet. Fucking daft cunts, man. Take their time. Can you hear me a lot clearer now?
Aye.
It's because you're on the motorway, you're going fucking ripping speeds.
It isn't as loud as the BM helmet though. There's something just no right.
Aye.
I wonder if I put the BM kit in this, would it work?
You could try it, like, but I very much doubt it would make any difference. Aye. I very much doubt it would make any difference, eh?
What I maybe could do with this is put the spacers in to bring the speakers closer to my ears.
Yes, aye, you could do that because you'll have spacers in the kit and in the second helmet kit, so you should have two sets of spacers.
Yeah, I'll try that.
And bring them out a wee bit. Doesn't help that you're a default bastard anyway.
What?
Aye. When June's saying that, so am I. Fuck me.
I've got fucking serious tinnitus today.
Aye, so have I on my left ear. Can't hear it in my right.
I don't get it in one or the other, I get fucking...
Aye, so do I normally get it in both, but I can predominantly hear it in my left.
What do you want to do? Do you want to stop at the garage, just get a Sani and a can of juice or something?
No, I'm alright to carry on. I've no long after my breakfast, because when you see my curtains open this morning, that was me up.
I'll need to put the route in from Moffat to St Mary's Loch.
Aye, St Mary's. Aye, stop at the garage anyway.
I will stop and
Give Stuart a break, aye. Because if his hips so... Aye, well your hips can go at any age, yeah. There's guys in the work that are quite young still and have had hip replacements, eh? Hello boys.
That was his fucking wife and other one.
Nah.
Good girl. I want to meet somebody like that.
I know. My wife's not interested in bikes at all.
Done it when she was younger, but she'll not go into that.
Yeah.
It's too heavy to go into that.
Uh-huh. We'll get a wee break here, eh?
Aye.
A wee stretch of the legs. Let Stuart get his get comfortable again with his hip.
One leg, Stuart.
There we go. Oh! Aye. Now they're all lined up. Fucking hell, he's noisy. So there's the GSX with all the luggage on it. Looks not too bad, eh? We've got a spare helmet for Alex and one of the panniers because he's trying out two helmets. And there's Stuart's bike. It's nice. Lovely. And Alex's. bit faster than the bike, Alec, eh? Are you there?
Aye.
One group member connected.
You be alright?
Right. That was a good wee stop, eh?
Aye, cracking, wasn't it?
No.
1.7 mile with turn left.
Happy days. It was nice of the Red Arrows to drop by and say hello.
That was good, eh?
Yeah. We'll pass the old 88 box up here.
And we turn left.
There's the old 88 box.
That's us for 11 mile.
Now the scene
It takes you on the road from the Devil's Beef Tub.
yeah,
From Loch.
the scenery on this road that we're about to see is spectacular. It's just my luck, every time I come down here it's blue skies and it's a lovely day. Yeah, it's hard to believe this is on our doorstep, eh?
That's what I should do. I should go and get a sheep now that I can eat my grass.
Aye. And here we go. Absolutely love this road.
It's not a road you can go fast on now.
Nah, it's a road you don't want to go fast on because you miss the scenery.
Look at that.
That's Megget Reservoir on your left. Absolutely stunning. Look at it. Beautiful. Hello, sheep.
Look at that.
Every corner, the view's different. The water just glittering away. Brilliant, eh?
That's beautiful, eh?
Yep. It certainly is.
This is bigger than you think, eh?
Aye. It's Megget Reservoir.
Tell you something else, it's fucking full.
Aye. No water shortage here. No, with the amount of rain that we've had. Christ almighty.
Rain's coming.
A few of them.
There's enough hills for the water to come off, eh?
Definitely. The sheep just sitting chilling.
Chilling like a villain.
Chilling like a villain.
Which road's here? It's a
Bump.
bit bumpy.
Bit bumpy.
We were in there last time, remember?
Yep. Aye, just down there on the left.
Aye.
Aye, we stopped there. You can wild camp there. That's what a lot of them are doing anyway.
You've got a toilet in there for you.
Yep. Cattle grid.
You always watch the loose chippies.
The guy's camping.
He's ready to go sunbathing.
Aye, didn't his swimming trunks. Ah, fair play.
Watch gravel here.
Flashing lights ahead, I wonder what's going on up there.
Recovery.
Cracking, Alex, eh?
Gorgeous, eh? You couldn't go around this road too fast.
Nah. But why would you want to, eh? We'll definitely need to get a squad together for the North Coast 500.
Aye, definitely. Big group he is.
Yeah. I'm going to get a thunder box for this bike so I can run accessories with it. So you can power USBs and all that, you know.
I'll let you one of mine. I'll go further.
Oh, you've already got a charger and all that in it.
Aye.
See, this doesn't have it. Cattle grid.
It's obviously letting us past.
Thank you. This will bring us out at Tala Reservoir.
Aye, well. Is it Tala?
Tala. Tala. T for Tango. During lockdown I came out a run down here myself, eh?
Watching gravel.
Aye. I came down a run here myself with a Honda, eh? Well, that's when the Honda was brand new.
That's gorgeous, look at that.
Stunning, eh?
You should watch the roads here, it's rutty as fuck.
Well, you've got a big adventure bike, you're alright.
I'm alright. Just looking after used to.
Aye. Beautiful, eh?
Sure can't hear us because he's no cabled up.
No. Hopefully he gets a car though, he was talking about it, eh?
Ah, he's going to get one, him and his son.
What a view, eh?
Gorgeous, eh? Imagine living here, eh?
I know.
In the summer, it'd be absolutely stunning.
In the winter you'd
the
be
winter it's-
fucking hanging yourself with the rafters.
Yeah, it'd just be cold.
Yeah. That'd be a no bad wee house to stay in, eh?
I'd lived out here if I were.
So would I.
Enough money. Aye. But if you win the lottery or something, I'd commute to some place like this and just live here.
Yeah.
I'd go swimming in that.
So would I. I'd go skinny dipping because I'm a rebel.
Some good fishing in it.
Wouldn't be the first time.
I said fishing, no fishing.
I know, I'm talking about skinny dipping.
Aye.
This is Megget Reservoir on our left.
I never thought I'd like a flip up helmet, but I tell you what, see the now, I've got it flipped up, it's fucking brilliant.
Aye, I do like my flip up. I do like it. Handy for sitting having a vape at the traffic lights. Willie had a vape on the motorway when we came back from Europe, and he dropped his vape, and it just went kaboom.
1 mile we turn left.
Yeah, we're certainly blessed with some of the loveliest scenery. See, scenery like this is the reason why I absolutely detest the cities.
I know.
When I'm not working, I'm nowhere near it.
If you didn't have the cities, you wouldn't have a job.
Yes, that's very true. And sadly, that's where the money is.
Just watch the gravel.
Gravel, the Jimmy Gravel. Hola.